Bitcoin almost jumped for 10% in 3 days already. We are currently at this big support level on the daily time frame. If we fall below this level, we could see levels around $52,000, but I will tell you everything about it in this video, so watch this video all the way to the end. I will have a look at several time frames and I will also discuss Ethereum and BNB with you. So give this video a like and let's dive right into the charts. On the daily time frame we can see Bitcoin is currently at this big support level and we need to hold this support, otherwise we are going to see much lower levels. And if we break below this support, I expect that we're going to see a bounce from this support, retest it as resistance and then come further back down. And if we're going below this support level, then we might see levels of the $52,000 for Bitcoin, and that is a very bearish move of course. So for now we want to see that Bitcoin is going to make a bounce from this level and recreate more bullish price action for now. And in the past we can see Bitcoin made a somewhat of a similar move for now. And we want to see that Bitcoin is going to create the same move. So we're going to see one dump, a V-shaped recovery, and then we're going to see more upside from here. So let's see if Bitcoin maybe can create this same structure and create more bullish price action for now. So when Bitcoin falls below this support area, we even could go lower and visit the $52,000. And Bitcoin dropped below the 59,000 already, and that's people think that's because the payout of the Mt. Gox is happening, and there, a lot of people are concerned that Bitcoin will drop much lower because there's worth about 9 billion payout happening in Bitcoin and it will start in July. This could have a very bearish effect on the price for Bitcoin, and we need to see the Bitcoin ETFs maybe step into the market and buy a lot of Bitcoin. What do you think? Are we going to see lower levels from here, or is the bottom really in for now? And also yesterday we saw an outflow of the Bitcoin ETFs with $20 million. And we can see Grayscale sells again, and a lot of ETFs are not buying or selling anything. So it feels like the vacation mode is already on, and also today it's the 4th of July, so I don't expect a lot of volatility for the Bitcoin ETFs. So let's see what's going to happen for Bitcoin today. If we have another look at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we can see this downtrend for Bitcoin is occurring again. We are currently in this downtrend. We broke out of this downtrend to the top side, and now we are retesting this trendline resistance as a bullish retest. So this is a little bit of a bearish sign for Bitcoin because we have to flip this resistance into support, and from there we can maybe aim for higher targets. But of course, if we look at the horizontal levels, this will be the last big support for Bitcoin to hold. And if we fall below this level, just like I said, we will maybe visit the levels around the $52,000. So for now we have to hold this level, maybe see a V-shaped recovery, and then create more price action to the top side. And on the 4-hour time frame we can see Bitcoin is creating a bullish divergence. We are seeing a lower low on the chart, and we are also seeing a higher low on the RSI. So this means that we are currently making a bullish divergence because we can see a lower low on the chart and a higher low on the RSI. And this could mean that the sellers are getting exhausted, so the buying pressure is increasing a little bit. And maybe this could have a very bullish effect on the price. So this could mean the first indicator that Bitcoin is going to see more upside from here, because the sellers are getting exhausted, as I was saying. And the bullish divergence could be one of the indicators that a trend reversal is happening very soon for Bitcoin. And on the weekly time frame we can see Bitcoin is currently at this huge dump for 20%. And it looks like this is going to be very bearish, of course. But if we have a look at the historic price action for Bitcoin, we can see a lot of dumps happening. And I want to show you the bull run of the 2017. And we can see we have multiple dumps here. We had a dump over 35%, 37%, almost 38%. And also a 30% decrease for Bitcoin in this bull run. And if we then go to the next bull run, we can see a 21% decrease. Even here a 31% decrease, also a 25% dump, so that's insane. And we also had a big dump of more than 53%, so that was an insane dump. And after that we just created a new high, and that was the cycle top for that one. And currently we are in this cycle, and we can see that we had multiple declines for Bitcoin. We saw a decline of more than 20% here. Also more than 20% here, and currently we're also experiencing a dip of 20%. So of course it feels very bearish what we are seeing right now for Bitcoin, but keep in mind that these dips happen in a bull trend, and actually it's very healthy that we're going to see a little bit of a consolidation and a little bit of a drop, because we're making highs and we also need to retest some levels. to the downside, and yeah, all the weak hands are going to be shaken out, and from there we can maybe aim for higher targets. Of course, when we break below this level and we're going to see lower levels, then we need to become a little bit more bearish for Bitcoin. But for now, yeah, I just see a beautiful uptrend on the weekly time frame, and yeah, if we're not breaking this level, then nothing is really going to happen, and we don't have to panic. I also want to have a look at the first altcoin, and that is Ethereum. Ethereum is currently breaking this support level. We can see multiple touch points in the past as support and also as resistance here. And some weeks ago we broke above the resistance and we retested it as a support, and now we are currently breaking below this support area. So the first big support for Ethereum will be around this level on the downside, of course, and it will be around this level. We can also see multiple touch points happening for Ethereum here in the past as support, 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 and support. So if this daily candle closes below this support area, I believe that we're going to see something like this, and then we have to aim for lower prices, and that will be around the $2,900. So for now we have to wait for this daily close of this candle, and if we are going to see yeah, a wick to the top side, maybe close it above this support area, then we can remain a little bit more bullish. And also because of the Ethereum news, yeah, a lot of people are speculating that in the coming 2 weeks the Ethereum ETF will go live. And of course it's the holiday season, so I don't expect a lot of volume then. But in mid-July, the Ethereum Spot ETF might launch, so that will have a very positive effect. And a lot of people are saying July 12th is the date that the ETF is going live. So yeah, we have to wait a little bit more. But this could have a very positive effect on the price of Ethereum. And yeah, I am interested in such kind of events because I accumulated more Ethereum around this range, and I will also buy more Ethereum at this accumulation zone. So I have my limit orders already at this level. So if we're going lower, I'm just buying more Ethereum. The next altcoin I want to discuss with you is BNB. BNB had this huge sideways consolidation range, and now we are back at this support area. We can see multiple touch points in the past as support. Yeah, and we need to yeah, hold this support, otherwise we're going to see much lower levels. Then the first big support level will be around this price, and that will be around $400 approximately. So yeah, if we fall below this level, I expect that we're going to see something like this. We retest the previous support as resistance, and from there we come further back down. But for now, yeah, as I was saying, we need to hold this support and create a bounce from this level. I'm always interested in buying asset at the support levels, so this could be a very interesting place to buy more BNB. And yeah, maybe from here we can see more topside. And if we're going to see regional highs, then we are still getting an increase of 34%. So from here, the risk to reward to the top side is very good actually. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a follow on Twitter, where I post daily content about Bitcoin and just crypto in general. I hope you find this video useful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.